ICT is the best known example of the use of ICT in education, but the term multimedia is also frequently used. So ICT is all technical means used to handle information and communication. This include both computer and network hardware as well as their software, in which is the possibility for an interactive approach is offered. The next is the information and communication technology. So, information technology is defined as the study or use of electronic equipment, especially computers for storing, analyzing, and sending our information. So, communication naman, technology is the process of sending. So, maka-receive po siya mga receiving and exchanging for information. But ICT can be defined as the use of hardware and software for efficient management of information. ICT refers to the forms of technology that are used to transmit, store, create, share, or exchange particular tasks. The next is psychology of using teaching aids, which include ICTs. So, na siya yung mga 5 senses. First is sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. So, this is the 5 senses. Effective learning is possible by 5 sensory means. According to psychological study, human can grasp 80%, knowledge visually 15%, and through hearing is 5%, with the rest of the sensory items. So, the next is learning using ICT. So, na siya yung mga 3 learning using ICT. First is motivate learning. Second is learning process can be anywhere and anytime. So, the third is students use interactive whiteboards in classroom. So, they are making all schools smart major ICT projects. So, ito yung mga project na ginagawa ginagamit sa ICT, major of ICT. Meron ditong educational TV, meron din itong school need, teaching of science and mathematics in English, and smart school, and computer labs. The next is impact on teachers. So, there are teacher access to lesson plans, network of teacher, pedagogical techniques, and information resources. Example of lesson plan is panoorin nyo lang ang video.
So, scroll up nyo lang at i-enter nyo lang yung Enter Lesson Lab at mapupunta tayo dito sa kanilang dashboard. So, dito makakapili kayo ng mga certificate summaries, character descriptions, adaptation or differentiation, behavior management ideas, assembly writer. So, may mga premium po dito at ito naman ay kailangan ng bayad. So, pipiliin lang natin yung mga part na hindi siya naka-premium. Since gusto natin na makagawa ng lesson plan, so piliin lang natin yung lesson plan. Sa paggawa pala ng lesson plan dito, kailangan mong i-enter yung grade level, yung subject na gusto nyong gawa ng lesson plan, the learning objective. Dito naman sa learning objective, nilagay ko lang dito yung solve problems involving addition of integers. Dito naman sa extra information, nilagay ko lang yung make me a detailed lesson plan. After that, click the generate na nasa ibaba. And charan, yan na po ang ating lesson plan. At pwede nyo na po yung i-download or i-copy yung text at i-paste doon sa Microsoft Word.
The next is chat. So, chat is communicate with students or communicate with parents. For example, anong chat is for your family. Kapag nasa ibang lugar yung family mo, ma-chat through Facebook or through Messenger. Ma-communicate mo mga parents tungod sa mga chat. So, example of that is Google Classroom. Google Classroom is the most of communication with the students, or more students participate and collaborative learning. The lastly is email. Email is every teacher should have an email account. Second is communicate with students. Third is communicate with. For these, students can submit assignment through Google Classroom, and can have attachment and create a paperless environment as simple but effective, efficient, and cost effective. That's all.